In a small town, there was a carpenter named Arief. Arief worked hard every day, carving wood into beautiful wooden products. One day, a fierce storm destroyed his woodworking shop, leaving everything in ruins. However, Arief didn't lose his spirit. He gathered the remaining wood debris and started rebuilding his shop. In the process, he learned many new things and improved his skills. Every day, he worked diligently and tirelessly. A year later, Arief's woodworking shop not only recovered, but became even more beautiful and resilient than before. People began to appreciate his hard work, and his business soared. Arief felt proud of this achievement, and his motivation to work grew strong, sirs. Arief's story teaches us that with a strong spirit and determination, no obstacle is insurmountable. When we work wholeheartedly, the results will always be satisfying and bring happiness.